We live in a world dominated by sugar. It's in everything from our morning coffee to the sauces we put on our dinners. It hides in plain sight, disguised as healthy, in places like low-fat yogurts and granola bars. But the truth is, sugar is addictive, and its impact on our health is devastating. This isn't about guilt-tripping you for enjoying a slice of birthday cake now and then. This is about reclaiming your health, boosting your energy, and breaking free from the shackles of sugar cravings. Are you ready to discover a life where you're in control of your choices, not a slave to your cravings? Let's dive in. This isn't just about fitting into your favorite jeans again, although that's a fantastic bonus. This is about taking charge of your health, boosting your energy, and feeling incredible from the inside out. We're going to embark on a journey together, a 10-day challenge to reset your relationship with sugar. We'll explore the science behind sugar addiction, understand its grip on your brain and body, and give you practical, easy-to-follow steps to break free. We share tips for combating cravings and strategies to make this journey sustainable for the long haul. You are capable of incredible change. Let's conquer the sugar cravings together. Sugar isn't just sweet, it's a master manipulator. It hijacks your brain's reward system, flooding it with dopamine, that feel-good hormone. This creates a powerful cycle of cravings and rewards, making you crave more and more sugar to achieve the same level of satisfaction. It's like being stuck on a roller coaster of highs and lows, never quite reaching a place of contentment. But here's the catch. The more sugar you consume, the more resistant your body becomes to its effects. You need increasingly larger amounts to get that initial pleasure hit, leading to a vicious cycle of dependence. This isn't a personal failing, it's the science of addiction at play, and the consequences go far beyond your waistline. Sugar is a major culprit in a range of health problems, from type 2 diabetes and heart disease to fatty liver disease and even certain types of cancer. It's time to break free from this harmful cycle and regain control of our health. The good news is you're not alone. Millions have broken free from sugar's grip, and so can you. This 10-day challenge is your roadmap to reclaiming your health, one step at a time. We're not talking about deprivation here. It's about making simple, sustainable changes that nourish your body and empower you to make conscious choices. We'll focus on crowding out the bad with the good, replacing sugary snacks with whole, unprocessed foods that fuel your body and satisfy your taste buds. We'll explore the power of healthy fats, lean plant-based proteins, and fiber to keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing cravings naturally. Get ready to clean up your diet, ditch the processed junk, and rediscover the delicious world of real food. It's time to transform your relationship with food from one of dependence to one of empowerment. You deserve to feel your best, inside and out. All right, let's dive into the first 3 days. These initial days are all about resetting your system and taming those sugar cravings. We're going cold turkey on added sugars. That means ditching the sugary drinks, processed snacks, and desserts. I know it sounds daunting, but trust me, you can do this. Focus on hydrating with plenty of water, herbal teas, or water infused with lemon or cucumber. Aim for half your body weight in ounces of water each day. This will help flush out toxins and keep those cravings at bay. And remember, preparation is key. Clear out your pantry and fridge of any tempting sugary treats. Out of sight, out of mind. Instead of reaching for that candy bar, opt for whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, healthy proteins, and healthy fats. Think colorful salads, hearty soups, and snacks like nuts and seeds. These foods provide the nutrients your body needs to thrive and help stabilize your blood sugar levels, reducing those pesky cravings. Congratulations on making it through the first hurdle. By now, you're likely starting to feel the positive effects of ditching added sugar. Your energy levels are more stable, you're sleeping better, and those intense cravings are beginning to subside. Now, let's focus on nourishing your body and resetting your taste buds. These next few days are about incorporating more healthy fats, fiber, and protein into your diet. Think avocados, nuts, seeds, lentils, beans, quinoa, and leafy greens. These foods not only provide essential nutrients, but also help you feel full and satisfied, further reducing those sugar cravings. Experiment with new recipes and explore different cuisines. This is a journey of discovery. Embrace the abundance of delicious, healthy foods available to you. Remember, eating well shouldn't feel like deprivation. It's about enjoying flavorful, nourishing meals that fuel your body and make you feel amazing. You're over halfway there. By now, your body has begun to detox from added sugar, and you're establishing healthier eating habits. Days 7 through 9 are about solidifying these changes and integrating them into your lifestyle. This is where the magic of habit formation really kicks in. Remember, breaking free from sugar isn't just about what you eat, it's also about how you live. Incorporate movement into your daily routine. Even a brisk walk, a quick yoga session, or dancing to your favorite music can make a world of difference. Exercise helps stabilize blood sugar levels, boosts your mood, and reduces stress, all of which can trigger sugar cravings. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can increase cravings for sugary, high-fat foods. Listen to your body and rest when you need it. Day 10 and beyond, a lifetime of freedom. Congratulations, you've reached the final day of our 10-day challenge. Take a moment to celebrate how far you've come. You've taken control of your health, broken free from the grip of sugar, and are now equipped with the knowledge and tools to maintain this lifestyle for the long haul. Remember, this is not an end point, but a beginning. As you move forward, be kind to yourself. It's okay to have an occasional treat. The key is moderation and mindful indulgence. You've learned to listen to your body, identify your triggers, and make healthier choices. Remember that feeling of empowerment and let it guide you. You don't have to do this alone. Surround yourself with a supportive community, whether it's friends, family, or online groups. Share your journey, celebrate your victories, and lift each other up. This is a lifestyle change that can bring you a lifetime of freedom, energy, and vibrancy. The power of support. Remember, you don't have to conquer your sugar cravings alone. In fact, having a support system can make all the difference. Surround yourself with people who understand your journey, whether it's friends, family, or a support group. Share your struggles, celebrate your victories, and lean on each other for encouragement. Even a simple phone call to a supportive friend when a craving hits can help you stay on track. Sharing your goals with others creates accountability and strengthens your resolve. Knowing that someone is cheering you on can make a world of difference, especially during those moments when your willpower is tested. Consider joining a fitness class or finding a workout buddy. Exercise is a powerful tool for managing cravings and boosting your mood. And having someone to share the journey with makes it more enjoyable and keeps you motivated. Mind over matter. Rewiring your thoughts about sugar. Breaking free from sugar is as much a mental game as it is a physical one. Your thoughts and beliefs play a significant role in your success. When a craving hits, don't dwell on it or beat yourself up. Instead, acknowledge the craving, then shift your focus to the positive changes you're making for your health. Practice mindfulness. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Are you truly hungry, or are you reaching for sugar out of habit, boredom, or stress? Did you know that our body can trigger a hunger feeling when it's thirsty? Try a glass of water next time that sugar craving creeps in. Mindfulness helps you break free from automatic reactions and make conscious choices that support your well-being. Keep a journal to track your progress, identify your triggers, and celebrate your successes. Writing down your meals and snacks can help you become more aware of your eating habits. And documenting your feelings and challenges can provide valuable insights into your relationship with food. For those seeking additional support and guidance, faith can be an incredible source of strength. The Bible reminds us in 1 Corinthians 10 verse 13 that God is faithful, and He will not let you be tempted beyond your ability, but with the temptation, He will also provide the way of escape, that you may be able to endure it. Remember, you are never alone in your struggles. Prayer and meditation provide comfort, clarity, and renewed determination. Seek guidance from your faith community, whether it's attending a service, joining a prayer group, or simply connecting with someone who shares your beliefs. Remember that true strength comes not from willpower alone, but from surrendering to a higher power and trusting in His plan for your life. Lean on your faith, and you'll find the strength to overcome any obstacle. You are not alone. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Millions of people struggle with sugar cravings, and countless others have successfully broken free. Reach out, connect, and share your story. Together, we can create a ripple effect of positive change, inspiring each other to live healthier, happier lives. Join online communities, follow inspiring individuals who have walked a similar path, and share your own experiences. Your story might be the very thing that gives someone else the courage to start their own journey toward freedom from sugar. Remember, every small step you take, every healthy choice you make, brings you closer to your goal. You are capable of incredible change. Keep going, and never give up on yourself. Remember that feeling of triumph when you resisted that first craving, the surge of energy after a day of nourishing meals, the sense of empowerment as you took control of your choices. That's the feeling of true freedom, and it's yours to keep. This journey isn't about deprivation. It is about rediscovering the incredible power and deliciousness of real, whole foods. It is about breaking free from the cycle of cravings and rewards that sugar creates, reclaiming control over your health and stepping into a life filled with more energy, vitality, and joy. And you did it. Remember that this is just the beginning of an incredible journey. Life is full of sweetness, and it's time to experience it in all its natural, vibrant forms. In the connections you share, the passions you pursue, and the simple joys that each day brings. As you move forward, remember that every small, healthy choice you make is a victory. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. There will be times when we face temptations, when old habits try to creep back in. But now you have the knowledge, the tools, and the experience to overcome them. Remember, those cravings are temporary, but the benefits of a sugar-free life are long-lasting. You've tasted freedom, and it's far sweeter than any sugary treat could ever be. You've discovered that true satisfaction comes from nourishing your body, honoring your health, and living in alignment with your values. So, go out there and embrace this new chapter with open arms. Celebrate your successes, learn from any setbacks, and never stop believing in your ability to create a healthier, happier life. Your journey to freedom starts now. Pays.3s. Remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We're constantly sharing new videos with the latest health information, inspiring stories, and practical tips to help you live your best life. Let's continue this journey together. Now, we want to hear from you. Share your thoughts, your struggles, and your victories in the comments section below. Let's create a supportive community where we can inspire and uplift each other on this journey to health and well-being. Until next time,